When you purchase your standing Pilates kit, it comes with 5 primary components. The dual adjusting cotton Pilates loops. You'll have 2 slastics right here, and you'll have the adjustable anchoring device. Now there are 2 ways that you can attach your adjustable anchoring device. One is to some type of a fixed position. In this particular case, we've got a really long eye bolt that's into a monstrous piece of wood overhead. There's going to be different ways to attach this depending on what your ceiling construction might be. So work with a professional contractor to figure out how you can find a very super secure location overhead. It's going to have to be at least 12, if not 14 feet above the ground. Okay? The second way that we can attach it is through some kind of a clothesline type of apparatus. In this particular case, we're using some heavy-duty nylon webbing that's often used in the mountain climbing business. We've secured it on both ends from wall to wall. And we've tightened it down with a ratcheting system that's commonly found in the tie-down industry. So let me show you very quickly how to attach this once you've secured your anchoring device above head. So now I've taken a carabiner clip and I'll attach it to one of the rings on the adjustable strap. Simply clip there and clip here. Make sure you get an interlocking carabiner clip. You don't want an inexpensive one, preferably one that's not going to ever come loose. Okay? Then you've got this anchoring device there. Then we simply attach the slastics to the other ring that's on the opposite side of the adjustable strap. Now, when we adjust this for a preliminary adjustment, this ring right here should approximately be about 12 feet off the ground. It'll really depend on how tall the athlete is when they participate in these activities. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, we're going to teach you how to attach these cotton dual adjustable Pilates straps. So I'm going to come back down off the ladder. I've got a couple of these anchoring devices already attached to like the clothesline type one. In this case, instead of using the carabiner clip to fix to the attached eye bolt, we've actually just put one of these rings on the strap, and it'll allow you to easily slide left and right. And we'll show you how that's kind of a neat feature. So we're going to come down here. And I've actually already connected these, but I'll show you simply how to do this in a quick way. So I'm going to take them both off, or just one of them off. And you'll see that there's 2 rings on this strap. All you do is you fold them in half like this so that the rings can be connected to the carabiner clip. And to set the height right, you want to have them folded in half like I'm doing here. Okay? So I've got them both folded in half like this. Now when we set it up, these straps should be approximately the height when you put both hands over the head. These should be about this particular height. So I happen to have my ladder here, and I can see that I'll just use this as a measurement marker. And so now to get these to raise up, I can go to the top of the ladder again and do my adjustment on my strap. So I'm going to go do that right now and climb to the top of the ladder. So I climb to the top of the ladder, and you'll see there's this adjustment buckle on this adjustment anchoring strap. All I simply do is pull down or pull up, whatever the direction is, and I reduce the length of this adjustable anchor strap. I'm also keeping an eye on where those bottom straps are relative to my marked position. In this particular case, our clothesline is about 12 feet off the ground to begin with. So in this case, I'm taking up a lot of the slack through this adjustable anchoring strap to the point where these cotton loops are the height that I want. Now you'll see that there's a lot of extra fabric here. If you plan on keeping these here permanently, then go ahead and cut this off and maybe use a lighter to heat seal this in. But if you want to use it for later, keep it on. And all you do is simply combine it like here and tie a simple knot maybe to keep it all together. Okay, I'm just going to keep it over the top right now. Once, just to demonstrate really quickly, with this clothesline ability, once I've attached it in the clothesline position, this allows me to move my anchoring position to the left or the right, and also get rid of all these things above head. So once they're connected in a class format with this clothesline thing, I'm done with it. I will simply slide everything out of the way and then find some type of a hook or anchoring device on this side. In this case, we have a spine by Stroops, and we'll just bring them over the top, and connect them in. And now they're out of the way for other classes. So this is how you attach the standing Pilates units to a fixed anchoring position or to something like a clothesline. Enjoy and have a great time.